Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Let's take another look at the most important financial events for today. Trading sentiment significantly improved today, especially on the crude market. Investors were encouraged by the news that Greek authorities had approved an austerity package. Athens will secure the third bailout in case it meets the terms of its creditors. The list of reforms was approved by a majority vote. The bill passed with 229 votes in favor and 64 votes against in the 300-seat chamber. Today, the European finance ministers are going to meet and discuss the breaking news from Athens. In the meantime, a short-term bailout package for Greece worth €7 billion is being prepared in Brussels. That sum will be at Greece's disposal before a new program of financial support. Owing to the encouraging news, Brent crude futures for delivery in September added 20 cents or 0.35% on the ICE Futures London exchange early this morning. Now, crude is trading at the level of $57.32 a barrel. The day before, the same sort of crude was trading in London $1.52 or 2.66% lower at the level of $57.12 a barrel. The decline in oil prices was caused by concern that the international crude market could be oversupplied with Iranian petroleum. At the same time, the market was influenced by data on the U.S. crude inventories published yesterday by the U.S. Energy Information Administration. According to the report, oil storage inventories in the U.S. are contracting again. Thus, the U.S. oil inventories fell by 4.3 million barrels to the level of 461.4 million barrels in the last 7 days, according to the report of the U.S. Energy Information Administration. Analysts had expected a 2.7 million barrels decline. During today's session in New York, WTI crude futures for delivery in August gained 34 cents or 0.65%, hitting the level of $51.75 a barrel compared to the previous NYMEX session when WTI crude had declined by $1.63 or 3.07% to the level of $51.41. Over the last several weeks, crude futures were heavily weighed by mounting concerns about growing oil production in the U.S. Thus, a number of drilling rigs rose by 5 over a week, as Baker Hughes announced last Friday. Amid the report, the total number of drilling rigs in the country hit 645. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. See you tomorrow. Bye.